Very straightforward and quick, easy guide to how much protein you need for a healthy hormones. Proteins are made up of amino acids, and amino acids are so important. They're the building blocks when it comes to efficient functioning of the body. And part of that efficient functioning is the production of neurotransmitters and neurons and hormones, enzymes and antibodies. Without all of these things, the body will completely fail to function as it should. So adequate proteins in the body are so important to the building blocks, to healthy function of the organs and the absorption of other minerals and vitamins. So how much protein should you actually eat, ladies? Particularly if you're a lady of a certain age, you're perimenopausal or you're menopausal and you're struggling with digestive issues and you're finding yourself accidentally overweight and not sleeping well and craving lots of sugar, then maybe you're not getting enough protein in your diet. And even if you are plant-based, you need to get enough protein because this helps balance your hormones and it helps transport those neurotransmitters around the body. So the amount of protein that we need differs for every individual. We talk a lot about bio-individuality as a nutritionist, and that really means that every single person is different. So the amount of protein that you need will differ to the amount of protein that your spouse or your children need. Now, the recommended amount of protein for a perimenopausal or menopausal woman is about 0.8 grams per 1 pound. Now, for example, say I'm 60 kilos, right? But that's 132 pounds. So I would need 47 grams of protein per day. So if I'm 132 pounds and I times that by 0.36, I will get the figure that I need, and that is about 47 grams. Now, 47 grams looks like 2 eggs. That will give me 12 grams. 1 cup of oats would give me 7 grams. 1 cup of quinoa would give me 8 grams. 1 cup of beans is 15 grams. A quarter of a cup of almonds is 7.5 grams. 1 cup of wild rice is 6.5 grams. And 1 cup of broccoli is 2.1 grams. So that's what 47 grams would look like. Now, it's really important also the way we consume protein. We want to have a small amount of fat and protein at every meal. It's what our brain needs, all right? But if you're not having enough protein, you may be falling prey to protein deficiency, and that will make you feel tired, and it will make it more difficult to be physically active. So we only store a limited amount of protein. And you have to wait for the body to replenish its protein before you consume more protein. So consuming a healthy amount of protein can actually lead to healthy functioning of your hormones, which in turn promotes healthy immune system and efficient metabolism and improved physical performance. Now, if you're struggling with digesting proteins, then I really encourage you to have a digestive enzyme. If you feel bloated or your stomach hurts after you eat protein, then that's an indication that you haven't got enough hydrochloric acid in the stomach. And the best way to fix that is through either taking a digestive enzyme, which has betaine HCl in it, which is very important. And look out for some digestive enzymes don't have that. But the digestive enzyme that I recommend is Terrazyme, and that is very, very good. And it's got a lot of different enzymes for the metabolism of starch, proteins, and fats. The other thing is you can take a capful of apple cider vinegar half an hour before your meal, and that will help the hydrochloric acid balance in your stomach. Now, of course, any food in the wrong amount can be poisonous, so don't overdo your protein consumption. Remember, everything healthy, even in moderation, and overconsumption of protein will be counterproductive to your body. So, a small amount of protein at every meal, roughly trying to get between 40 and 50 grams, depending again on your weight, and that can certainly help you towards very healthy function and certainly happy hormones. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to know more about my 8-week How to Nourish Your Gut program, then reach out to me and I can send you some more information. Thanks for watching. See you next time.